Quit.
Okay. Hey, Mom, can you take a video of this guy?
In a minute.
Okay. With this guy shooting him?
He still looks tired.
Done? No?
It's Frank. I'm Frank now. Okay. We haven't got a red record. Jerry has a red record. Makes the bills go down.
And then you get to take a video of this guy.